to all. Our theme is Admin by Barath, creating self-reliant systems and solutions.
Our teammates are Danyashri, Sanjana and myself, Yuvasri.
Our project is Disaster of Earthquake.
The requirement are cardboards, wires, PCB board and sound alarm.
What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden energy staying from the outward position of the earth, the move.
The features of this project are when the earthquake comes from the underground, the sound alarm may give the alert to people who are inside the house. Before 5 minutes, the police will send rescuers to save the people who are inside the house and suffering from the earthquake.
Thank you.
Thank you.